ready to transform your dull Tableau dashboards into visually stunning data stories that captivate your audience. First, ditch the default colors. Head over to Color Palette websites like Coolers or Adobe Color and pick a cohesive palette with 35 colors. Consistent use of color helps guide the eye and create a professional look. Next, simplify your chart types. Ask yourself, is that pie chart really the best way to show that data? Often, a bar chart or a simple text table can be more effective and less visually cluttered. Stick to what best conveys the information. Now, think about layout. Arrange your visualizations logically. Grouping related charts together. Use containers to structure your dashboard and create a clear visual hierarchy, guiding the user's eye through the story. Don't forget white space. It's your friend. Leaving some empty space around your charts and text elements will make your dashboard feel less cramped and more inviting. Think of it like breathing room for your data. Finally, pay attention to typography. Choose a clear, readable font and use consistent font sizes throughout your dashboard. A consistent font creates a clean and professional look. With these simple tricks for color, chart selection, layout, white space, and typography, you'll be building beautiful and effective Tableau dashboards in no time. Subscribe for more data visualization tips and tricks.